Is it a glitch on Midnight Club Los Angeles?
An 8-year-old figured this out. Alright, go. Alright, go drive around.
What?
Come on, drive around. Go, get out.
Yes. Circle. Circle. Yes.
What's this? What on a picture. I'm gonna go race.
It's Dumbo. It's Dumbo's Lamborghini. Yep. An 8-year-old.
Take a picture of me doing this or what?
Oh yeah.
What?
You should say, yeah, this is One Fast Neon if you would like more information.
And how old are you?
8, 9.
Who told you about that glitch?
That 9-year-old.
Who told you about the glitch?
Me.
You figured it out?
Yes, sir.